Hey everybody, Ninja here. Today I'm going to be doing part 1 for Crash Nitro Kart Platinum Relics. The first world we're going to be doing is Terra, and I'm going to pretty much just show you gameplay of me getting Platinum Relics on each level. Pretty self-explanatory from here, so why not we begin? Come on, is what I bloody hear, because that's what I feel like when I'm through thick sand controls. Yes! Got this. I already know I'm gonna win anyhow, so there's no way I can't mess it up. Easy. No sweat. Let's see how far I won by. Pretty good. Just cut this. Oh, well, no, never mind, don't cut it, because I came first place. Cool, I'm saving it.
Super job.
Yep, super job. Next level. Gotta get this. Gotta get this. Gotta get this. No, 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 no. Wait, did I? Yes! I only just did it. I only just did it. Gee, you do not know how much pain and attempts I had to go through that. Please don't tell me that's another one of the on top of the... You're kidding me. Tiny Temple. Awesome track. Uh-oh. Damn. I actually really do like how this track doesn't have that ultra sacred fire path from the other game. Wow, I actually prefer the older one, this version better. I'm just shocked. If only it wasn't for the god-awful controls, I could experience it the way I wanted it. Oh no, why did I do that? Ah! Hopefully this will do enough. No, I already know I'm gonna win this. Man, how can I not lose this? Ladies and gentlemen, we done it. And because I already had a platinum relic on this, it doesn't need a worry. Ooh, second instead of first. Cool. Anyhow, that'll be it for part 1, everyone. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy your days, and I'll see you all until part 2.